Look at the shine on these chains, man. This is just crazy. What is up, guys? Back again with another YouTube video for you guys, man. And today we're doing the tennis chain review. Today we have the 3mm, 4mm, and 5mm tennis chains. We're going to be showing you guys the difference in millimeter, help you guys decide what millimeter you want to purchase and what millimeter is right for you. So I'm going to give you guys some close-ups, show you guys the quality of these tennis chains. And guys, remember, before we start this video, everything is going to be down in the description below. All right, guys, so let's get into it. We got the tennis chains right here. Okay, guys, so right here we have the 3mm. Very, very beautiful tennis chain, especially if you want to stack them. Here we have the 4mm, which you guys have most likely seen before. These are most common tennis chain. And here we got the big boys. Right here we got the 5mm. And these things hit like crazy. Beautiful, beautiful high quality stones. That's all we use, man. Beautiful high quality CZ stones. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead, throw on the neck, show you guys how it's looking. Let's get to it. Okay, so right here is a 3mm tennis chain in white gold. You guys can see it fits very nice and flat. The chain is not twisting. And guys, remember, tennis chains only bend one way. You see it bends this way, it doesn't bend that way. So if you try to put it on bending it this way, it's just gonna fold on you. Make sure you're putting it on the right way. Look at that beautiful combo right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the yellow gold. Boom, boom, boom. See, right here is what I was telling you guys. The 3mm stacked is a very, very nice look. If you guys want to get some stacked tennis chains, I would highly recommend you go with 3mm and you stack them. It's a very, very nice combination. So that's yellow gold and white gold right there. Very beautiful combination, as you guys can see right there. All right, guys, right here is our 4mm in yellow gold. This is the most common millimeter you guys are gonna see in 4mm. Very nice if you want to get a pendant, anything like that. It's very nice. It's not too big, it's not too small. Right there in the middle, a very, very nice look. All right, we're gonna move on to the 5mm. This is the 5mm tennis chain in yellow gold. And this thing is a big boy right here. So right here, you guys can see the stones are much bigger. 5mm, it's gonna shine more, show out more. You got bigger stones. Very, very nice. Let's go ahead and throw on the white gold. So the top one is 18 inches, the bottom one is 20 inches. So here's the white gold. Very, very nice high quality tennis chains. Astroice Jewelry only sells high quality hip hop jewelry, as you guys know. And if you guys are a customer, if you guys have ordered from us before, you guys already know the quality we have, man. It is amazing. There you guys see it right there, 5mm tennis chains. All right, guys, here's a side-by-side comparison. The top one is a 3mm, the middle one is a 4mm, and the bottom one is 5mm. You guys can see how beautiful those stones are. And there you guys see the size difference right there. All right, guys, here we have the tennis chains in 3mm. And as you guys can see, man, these things shine like crazy, man. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Only high quality CZ stones used. As you guys can see, these stones are hitting like crazy, man. This is why I love the 3mm. It's very nice, very simple, and they hit like crazy, man. Look at this, look at this, look at it. All right, guys, here we have the 4mm. Look how beautiful these stones are. Look at that shine, baby. Let me give you guys a little close-up. Give you guys a little close-up of the side neck right there. Look how crazy these stones shine, man. These are beautiful, beautiful, high-quality tennis chains right here. All the links are down in the description, man. You guys already know where to go, astroicejewelry.com. And look at these beautiful, beautiful tennis chains right here. All right, let's get on to the 5mm. And y'all better get ready for this 5mm test, because these stones are big, man. Let's get to it. Boom, 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 man. Look at this. Look at the side of the neck shining like that, man. That is crazy right there. High quality CZ stones, man, that's what it does. The shine is beautiful, the quality is beautiful. You guys can see the quality on these chains are crazy. Now let me go ahead and take that flashlight out again and look at the shine on these chains, man. This is just crazy. Look at that. Look at that shine, man. These beautiful 5mm tennis chains. And that's a shine test for you guys, man. I know you guys like that. I know this shit was hitting like crazy. So you guys might as well go ahead, press that link in the description and cop you a tennis chain, man. This shine is crazy, man. 5mm tennis chains, man. Beautiful tennis chains, high quality. Everything you guys need in a tennis chain right here. Astroice Jewelry. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for all your support and love. Remember, use that code Cuban30 to get $30 off your next Cuban link. And thank you guys so much for everything, man. All the support, all the love. Make sure you guys go ahead and join the giveaway from last video. In the next video that we do, we're going to be announcing that giveaway winner. Thank you guys for watching the video. Comment down below, man, when you get your tennis chain, and let us know what the quality is. Let us know if it's the same as you guys see in the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, press that post notification. Comment down below, man. Let us know what you guys think. We have great quality chains, man. The best in the hip hop industry, man. You guys already know what it is. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate everybody's love and support. Keep watching the video. Stay updated. We have a lot of great stuff coming very, very soon, man. If you guys want to stay updated with giveaways, everything like that, go ahead and stay updated to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you in the next one.